It's really interesting, I make kombucha and I'm in the world of health and wellness, and there's so much going on in the world of nootropics right now. People trying to optimize their brain functioning, be more productive, have more motivation. And there's a whole world around this, biohacking and, optimizing all this stuff. And cacao for me is actually all of those things condensed into one.
It's a connection and partnership facilitator, and it's
Mhm.
for whatever you want to connect to. So the first thing that started happening is that people were using it for creativity.
Whatever it is that you're doing, if you want to use it for that reason, it will facilitate that for you. It's your choice, it works with you. It's a co-creator of your experience.
We find that the cacao actually teaches you to find this mindset where you can go about whatever you're doing with joy.
Mhm.
And then it goes a lot easier.
It literally, it enhances every aspect of the things that you do in your life.
And you've learned to find this mindset. And I've had so many people tell me, "Oh, I'll realize I didn't have any cacao for 2 days and I'm still there." And I say, "Well, it's you, not the cacao."